All right, let's tackle a classic myth. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Sounds scary, right? But here's the truth. It's not true. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. When you crack them, you're just releasing gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints. That popping sound? It's just the bubbles bursting. In fact, studies have shown no connection between knuckle cracking and arthritis. One doctor even cracked his knuckles on one hand for decades and left the other alone. Guess what? No difference in arthritis between the two hands. So, where did this myth come from? Most likely, it started because the sound can seem pretty alarming. Next time someone warns you about knuckle cracking causes arthritis, you'll know the real story.